The 2005 Chrysler 300C, powered by an 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This sedan is well equipped. This Chrysler features keyless entry, power steering, and power door locks. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player, dual power seats, and premium sound. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.